Welcome to Simpson Dental Associates. I'm Dr. Mark Simpson. I'm going to take you on a brief tour of our office, but first I would like to tell you that we provide comprehensive care for the entire family with emphasis on implant dentistry and our famous procedure, teeth in a day. Please follow me for a brief tour of our office. As you can see, the walls are lined with many pictures of our patients. They've been so courteous as to let us use their after pictures, some even their before pictures. So I'd like to show you right here is our photography studio. We're very proud of this. We take a lot of before and after photographs, and this gives us the ideal setting in which to do so. Many of these patients have had crowns, veneers, dentures, and a combination of those. So let's follow through here. And you'll see on both sides we have many of our lovely patients. This is our CT room, and this CT allows us to take 3D digital images so that we can plan for comprehensive care. It's very important that we see in all three dimensions prior to placing an implant so that we know that we have the exact volume of bone to support the implant properly. These patients have all been patients for more than 40 years. And if you catch this one, you can see even the most dramatic cases can be done in a very short period of time. I like these cases directly behind you. These are all veneer patients, and you can see on the top rows they're before, and on the bottom row they're after. And what a difference it makes in their smiles. If you proceed over here, as I told you, we do a lot of implant-supported dentures in a day, and this is an example of a husband and wife that we did in the same day. So both the husband and the wife were done that day. You can see the before and the after. What a dramatic difference I think that is. If you follow me over here, you'll see many more of the implant-supported teeth in a day and the befores and afters for each and every case. And you can see a lot of times once the smile is improved, they'll even go get their hair done to match their beautiful new smile. One of the things I want you to notice here is a lot of these patients where their vertical is closed down. In other words, the bite has collapsed, and you can see after we open the bite. And here's another good example, a very closed bite, and now his bite's back open. If you follow me on down the hall, you'll see that we have portraits of employees. And this is one of my favorite walls here too. And if you start over here, you'll see again very collapsed dentition, and it appears that her chin protrudes and her nose protrudes, and she's got extra skin here. You can see once we've opened her vertical to the proper dimension how the lips and follow the teeth and make a picture perfect smile. I love this one too. I think it takes about 10 years off of her appearance. Again, very overclosed and then opened back up. I like this one because it's just a subtle change, but a dramatic change all the same. Directly below that is one where you can see this gentleman has learned to smile without showing his teeth. Once his teeth were fixed, enjoys a beautiful smile. This is a neat one because, again, doesn't show much upper tooth, makes him look much older. Now he's showing his handsome teeth, and what a balance for his face and his personality. And this is a great one. This is just a cosmetic case where his teeth were not looking too great in the front, and there he is, very natural and handsome. So you follow me on down here. As you look into every operatory, you'll see that we have the most up-to-date modern equipment available today. If you look to the left here, this is our front desk. Very well-trained people that will take very good care of you. On this part of the wall right here, we have 3 of our employees that have been selected as the top 25 women in dentistry. This is a huge honor, and we're the only office in the United States that has 3 people that have been selected for such a great honor. Love this case right here. You can see a very gummy smile. Now she has a very well-balanced smile. This is our sterilization room. This is where we sterilize all our instruments for your protection and ours. You'll see many pictures on the wall here. These are newspaper articles that have been done about our office over the years. You'll see they line both sides. You peek into this operatory, you'll see we're famous for our orchids. We have orchids in every operatory. The doctor's office. And this is another operatory that I would like to show you. And the reason I want to show you this is the state-of-the-art equipment when it comes to implant placement. This first one is an implant motor, and it measures the torque, which is the amount of force that's used to place an implant, so that you can precisely place every implant the way it should be. This piezo unit is a unit that allows us to remove teeth very comfortably and very quickly. It's the most amazing piece of equipment because it will not cut soft tissue, it only cuts hard tissue. It's fantastic. This CO2 laser is an amazing piece of equipment. We use this in all our surgeries because it improves healing and it allows patients to be more comfortable. It makes an incision and it seals both the nerve endings and the blood vessels on both sides, thereby giving a quick wound healing and more comfort to our patients. This is our dental laboratory. It's the most state-of-the-art dental laboratory in West Virginia and even some surrounding states. So let me show you some of the technology that we have here. This is a CIRAC machine. It's called the InLab system. And what she's doing is, from a digital image of these teeth, she is fabricating these restorations. Then they will be milled out on these milling machines you see here. We have 2 of them and keep those running full blast all the time. The next thing I'd like to show you is the laser welder. This laser welder is what allows us to make teeth in a day. What we'll do is take the last couple teeth out that someone might have, or if they have no teeth at all, and we'll place 5 to 6 implants. We'll then fabricate the prosthesis that day, and we'll laser weld the substructure. So there's a gold substructure that's laser welded. You don't see that. It's underneath all the restoration, but that's what gives it the strength. And because we can fabricate it in one day, that's what allows us to give you teeth in as little as one day. Tracy's back there working on a case, and what she's doing is fabricating a beautiful smile for someone. These porcelain ovens, which you can see back there with the green around it, that's what, number one, makes the porcelain hard, but it also gives it the characterization so that we can match your smile exactly. So let's say you needed just one tooth remade. We could make that one tooth and make it undetectable from your other natural teeth. So we do have some sophisticated technology to this entire office, and we've brought the team of people together that can provide you the care that you need in as little as a day.